Hey, beautiful. Welcome back to the channel. If you want to lift, tone, and grow your glutes at home without equipment and without spending hours in the gym, you are in the right place. Today's workout is a 7-minute booty burner designed specially for women. It's beginner-friendly, but trust me, you're gonna feel this. Grab a mat, take a deep breath, and let's get started. Exercise 1. Glute bridges. All right, lie down on your mat, feet flat on the floor, knees bent. Push through your heels, lift your hips up, and squeeze your glutes at the top. Slow and controlled. No rushing. Think about driving your hips toward the ceiling. This is where your booty starts to wake up. If it burns, that's a good sign. Keep breathing. You're doing amazing. Exercise 2. Squat pulses. Stand up nice and tall, feet shoulder-width apart. Drop into a squat and pulse right here. Small movements, big burn. Keep your chest lifted and your core tight. All the power is coming from your glutes. Stay strong. This is how we build shape, not just sweat. You've got this. Don't quit. Exercise 3. Donkey kicks. Come down on all fours. Hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Lift one leg up and back. Kick the ceiling, but stay controlled. No swinging, just squeeze and lift. Switch legs halfway through if you need to. Every rep counts. Every squeeze matters. This is how you activate deep glute muscles. Exercise 4. Fire hydrants. Stay right where you are. Lift your leg out to the side, like a fire hydrant opening. Slow, controlled, and squeeze. Don't rush this one. The slower you go, the more effective it is. Feel that burn? That's your glutes working. You're stronger than you think. Exercise 5. Standing glute kickbacks. Stand back up. Hold on to a wall or chair if you need balance. Kick one leg straight back. Squeeze your glutes at the top. No arching your lower back. All glutes. No momentum. Switch legs halfway through. You are building confidence with every rep. Finisher. Squat hold and pulses. Last move. Drop into a squat and hold it. Now, pulse. This is where most people quit, but you're not most people. Stay with me. Breathe. Stay low. Push through the burn. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Take a deep breath. You just finished a 7-minute booty workout, and you showed up for yourself. Do this workout 4 to 5 times a week for best results. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, subscribe for more at-home workouts for women, and comment "booty" if you finished today's workout. You should be proud of yourself. I'll see you in the next video.